Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Healthy Safe, the go-to place for all things wellness. I'm Sophia Gomez, and today we've got an exciting topic that's sure to get you on the road to a healthier and happier you. We're talking about the best 10 healthy foods for losing weight naturally. If you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Before we get started, do me a favor. Drop a comment below with your favorite healthy snack. Let's share some ideas and inspire each other. All right, let's jump into the good stuff. First up, we have the beloved avocado. Packed with healthy fats, avocados are a great addition to your diet. These fats help keep you full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options throughout the day. Plus, avocados are loaded with nutrients and fiber, making them a fantastic choice for weight loss. Next on our list is lean protein. Whether you're a meat lover or a plant-based enthusiast, lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu are crucial for building muscle and burning calories. They also keep you feeling full, preventing overeating. Tell me, what's your favorite lean protein? Drop it in the comments below. Now, let's talk about the superheroes of the vegetable world. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients, low in calories, and high in fiber. Incorporating these into your meals not only aids in weight loss, but also boosts your overall health. Pro tip: try adding a handful of greens to your morning smoothie for an extra nutrient kick. Craving something sweet? Opt for berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants and fiber. These little powerhouses help control your appetite and satisfy your sweet tooth naturally. Who else is a berry fan? Give me a thumbs up if you are. Let's switch gears to a fantastic grain option, quinoa. Packed with protein, fiber, and various vitamins, quinoa is a versatile and filling choice. Swap it for rice or pasta in your meals to keep you energized and on track with your weight loss goals. Have you tried quinoa before? Let me know in the comments. Snacking is a part of life, but it doesn't have to derail your weight loss journey. Enter nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent choices. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them the perfect satisfying snack. What's your go-to healthy snack? Share it below. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, a creamy and protein-packed delight. It's not only delicious, but also helps with weight loss by keeping you full and providing essential nutrients. Experiment with different toppings like fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for a guilt-free treat. Do you enjoy Greek yogurt? Drop a yogurt emoji in the comments. Who said you have to give up carbs to lose weight? Not us. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic complex carb option. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Swap them for regular potatoes in your meals to keep you satisfied and energized. How do you like to prepare your sweet potatoes? Share your favorite recipes. Let's take a sip of knowledge. Green tea. Not only is it a soothing beverage, but it also helps boost your metabolism. The antioxidants in green tea can aid in weight loss by enhancing fat burning. Consider swapping your regular cup of joe for a refreshing cup of green tea in the morning. Are you a green tea enthusiast? Let me know. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 healthy foods for losing weight naturally. Remember, the key is to enjoy a variety of these foods in moderation and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's continue the conversation in the comments. Share your favorite healthy recipes or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.